Alright, everybody, this is Gaetana Berta, and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. Today, we are going to talk about another modal auxiliary verb that is used to give advice for someone. ዛሬ ልክ እንደባለፈው ምክር ለመስጠት የምንጠቀምባትን ሌላ ሞዳል auxiliary verb እናያለን ማለት ነው። So in the previous video we talked about the semi-modal auxiliary verb auto, and then we discussed how to write yes or no questions by using auto, how to write positive statements by using auto, how to write negative statements by using auto. So today we are going to talk about again how to give a piece of advice for someone who is in trouble by using a modal auxiliary verb had better. ዛሬ እንዴት አድርገን had betterን ተጠቅመን ምክር መስጠት እንደምንችል እናወራለን ማለት ነው። So had better is close to ought to and should. had better ልክ እንደነ should እና እንደነ ought to ምክር ለመስጠት እንጠቀምበታለን። Firstly, had better is a modal auxiliary verb. አንድ ቃል modal auxiliary verb ነው ካልን ምን ማለታችን ነው? ምን ጊዜም ከሱ ቀጥሎ ምን ያስፈልገዋል ማለት ነው? ትርጉም እንዲኖረው main verb ያስፈልገዋል ማለት ነው። If a verb is a modal auxiliary verb, always after it there must be a main verb. አንድ ግስ modal auxiliary verb ነው ከተባለ ከሱ ቀጥሎ የግድ ምን ያስፈልገዋል? main verb ያስፈልገዋል። Look guys, if there is no a main verb after modal auxiliary verbs, a sentence which is written by using a modal auxiliary verb is not complete. It is meaningless. ያ ማለት ምንድነው ያልኩት? አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ሞዳል auxiliary verb ተጠቅማችሁ ከጻፋችሁ ነገር ግን ከሱ ቀጥሎ ከሞዳል auxiliary verb ቀጥሎ main verb ከሌለው ያ አረፍተ ነገር ምንድነው? ትርጉም አይኖረውም። It is impossible for someone to understand that sentence. ለአንድ ግለሰብ ያንን አረፍተ ነገር አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ አይችልም። የግድ ምን መውሰድ አለበት? ሞዳል auxiliary verb there must be a main verb after it. አንድ ይሄ ነው። ሁለተኛው always the main verb must be the base form of the verb. ሌላኛው እንደገና always the main verb that comes after a modal auxiliary verb must be the base form of the verb. ሌላኛው ከሞዳል auxiliary verb ቀጥሎ የሚመጣው ዋና ግስ ምን መሆን አለበት? base form መሆን አለበት። ያ ማለት we cannot add any morpheme at the end of a main verb. ያ ማለት ከዋና ግሳችን መጨረሻ ላይ ምንም አይነት ምዕላድ መጨመር አይቻልም ማለት ነው። For example, if you use for instance brush, if you use brush as a main verb after a modal auxiliary verb, we cannot add ing after at the end of the main verb. ከሞዳል auxiliary verb ቀጥሎ brush የሚለው ዋና ግስ የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ brush የሚለው ዋና ግስ ላይ ing መጨመር አይቻልም። ss ወይንም is መጨመር አይቻልም። ded ወይንም ied መጨመር አይቻልም። ስለዚህ ምን ይባላል? ያ ግስ ማለት ነው base form of a verb ይባላል ማለት ነው። Okay, so what is the difference? Look guys, the following three modal auxiliary verbs are used to give advice. ልብ በሉ የሚከተሉት ሶስት ቃላቶች በእንግሊዘኛ ምክር ለመስጠት እንጠቀምባቸዋለን። We can use the modal auxiliary verb should to give advice for someone who is in trouble. In addition, we can use ought to or the modal auxiliary verb ought to give advice for someone who is in trouble. In addition, we can use the modal auxiliary verb had better to give advice for someone who is in trouble. እነዚህ ሶስቱን shouldን had betterን እና oughትን ምክር ለመስጠት እንጠቀምባቸዋለን። ነገር ግን ልዩነት አላቸው። had better is stronger than should and ought to. had better ከought to እና ከshould ጠንከር ያለ ነው። had betterን ተጠቅማችሁ ምክር የምትሰጡ ከሆነ ምን አለው? look, if you use had better in your sentence, that means there is a negative consequence because had better implies threat and warning. ልብ በሉ had betterን ተጠቅማችሁ ምክር የምትሰጡ ከሆነ ምን አለው? ማስፈራሪያ አለው። there might be a physical or a psychological negative consequence. If someone uses had better in his sentence, አንድ ሰው had betterን በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ከተጠቀመ that implies or that modal auxiliary verb or the modal auxiliary verb had better implies a negative consequence, a bad consequence. ምንን ያሳያል? ኔጌቲቭ ኮንሲኩዌንስን ያሳያል። ኔጌቲቭ ኮንሲኩዌንሱ ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? it might be a physical punishment ሊሆን ይችላል or ደግሞ ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? it might be a psychological punishment ሊሆን ይችላል። for example, let's assume ለምሳሌ እናታችሁ ወይንም አባታችሁ you had better make your bed ካለቻችሁ ወይንም ካላችሁ you had better make your bed ከተባላችሁ but if you don't make your bed there might be either a physical or a psychological punishment. እናታችሁ አልጋህን ብታነጥፍ ይሻልሃል ወይንም ደግሞ አልጋሽን ብታነጥፍ ይሻልሻል ወይንም ይሻልሃል ካለቻችሁ ወይንም ካላችሁ አባታችሁ ልብ በሉ አልጋውን ካላነጠፋችሁ ምን አለ ማለት ነው? there is a negative consequence. ምን አለ? negative consequence አለ። it might be slapping ሊሆን ይችላል. it might be striking you with an object ሊሆን ይችላል። እናንተን በዱላ መግረፍ ሊሆን ይችላል። በጥፊ መምታት ሊሆን ይችላል። psychological punishment ደግሞ የሚባለው ይሄ ስድብ ሊሆን ይችላል። publicly downgrading ሊሆን ይችላል። publicly belittling you ሊሆን ይችላል። መሰደብ ሊሆን ይችላል። መገረፍ ሊሆን ይችላል። ስለዚህ እነዚህ መሰደብ፣ መገረፍ ምን ይባላሉ? ኔጌቲቭ ኮንሲኩዌንስስ ይባላሉ። ስለዚህ had better ምንን ያሳያል? had better it is stronger than the modal auxiliary verbs should and ought to, because if you don't do what is advised, believe me, there is a negative consequence. ምን አለ ማለት ነው? አንድ ግለሰብ had betterን ተጠቅሞ ምክር ከመከራችሁና የመከራችሁን ምክር ካልፈጸማችሁ ምን አለ ማለት ነው? ቀደም እንደነገርኳችሁ there is a physical or a psychological consequence, bad consequence ይኖራል ማለት ነው። The next one is, look guys, what is the meaning of had better? Look, had better doesn't have past tense form. Had better doesn't have past tense form. Had better, you can use had better to give advice that somebody can do either in the present or in the future. had betterን የምንጠቀመው አንድ ግለሰብ ምክራችሁን አሁን ወይንም ደግሞ ለወደፊት እንዲሰራው ለመምከር ነው የምትጠቀሙት። ልብ በሉ ለወደፊቱም ለመምከር had better ነው የምትጠቀሙት። had better plus v1 ነው። In addition, the most important point that we need to talk about right now is you have to use had better for all subjects. ሌላኛው እንደገና had better ለሁሉም የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ነው የምንጠቀመው። Your subject can be singular, your subject can be plural, whatever subject you are using, you have to use had better. የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤታችሁ ምንም ይሁን ምንም መጠቀም ያለባችሁ ምንድነው? had better ነው። የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤታችሁ ሲንጉለር ሊሆን ይችላል። የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤታችሁ ፕሉራል ሊሆን ይችላል። ምንም መቀያየር አያስፈልግም። እንዳለ እንጠቀመዋለን had better ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ you had better leave home early to beat traffic jam. you had better leave home early to beat traffic jam. We have a subject. The subject is you. You can be used as a singular or a plural, but whatever the subject is, after it there is had better. So you had better leave home early to beat traffic jam. That means ይሄንን የመከራችሁ ሰውዬ if he or she doesn't leave home early there might be a negative consequence ማለት ነው። ያ ማለት you had better leave home early to beat traffic jam ብላችሁ የመከራችሁ ሰውዬ ቤቱን early ከቤት ቶሎ ካልወጣ negative consequence ያጋጥመዋል ማለት ነው። The next example is you had better arrive in class on time. You had better arrive in class on time. What does it mean? That means if the person that you advise this piece of advice doesn't arrive in the class on time, there will be a negative consequence ማለት ነው። ይሄንን የመከራችሁ ሰውዬ በጊዜ ወይም በወቅቱ ክላስ ካልደረሰ ምን አለ ማለት ነው? there will be a negative consequence. that negative consequence can be ምናልባት ከክፍል ማስወጣት ሊሆን ይችላል። ምናልባት መምህሩ ቀድሞ ከገባ ክላስ ሩሙ ሊዘጋበት ይችላል። ስለዚህ ይሄ ሁሉ ምንድነው? negative consequence ነው ማለት ነው። And the next one is you had better clean the house. You had better clean the house, or you can say Ababa had better clean the house, Almaz had better clean the house, they had better clean the house. So for all subjects, as you can see here, you can use a modal auxiliary verb had better. In addition, after had better there is clean. Clean is a base form of the verb. So ከዚህ እንረዳለን ይሄንን ምክር የሰማ ግለሰብ ይሄንን ምክር ካልፈጸመ ምን አለበት ማለት ነው? there is a negative consequence አለበት ማለት ነው። ወይ ይገረፋል ወይንም ደግሞ ሳይኮሎጂካል punishment ይጠብቀዋል ማለት ነው። all the above sentences are positive statements. ካሁን በፊት የነገርኳችሁ በሙሉ positive statements ናቸው። if you want to write negative statements by using had better, the only thing that you have to do is putting the negation word not after had better. አሉታዊ አረፍተ ነገር መጻፍ ብትፈልጉ ከhad better ቀጥሎ ኖትን መጠቀም ነው። ቀላል ነው። it's very simple. ለምሳሌ you had better not insult others. You had better not insult others. As you can see here, after had better there is a negation word not. So you had better not insult others. After the negation word not there is the main verb or the base form insult. So you had better not insult others. The next one is you had better not leave your luggage unattended. You had better not leave your luggage unattended. Had better not leave. And the last one is she had better not touch the electric wire. She had better not touch the electric wire. So if you want to produce negative statements by using the modal auxiliary verb had better, the only thing that you have to do is using the negation word not after had better. And after not there must be the base form of the verbs. And finally, maybe you may question yourself, can we write either yes or no questions or WH questions by using had better? The answer is no. Look guys, according to Betty Schramper Azar, we cannot write, look, or in standard English, we cannot use had better to write yes or no questions or any kind of question. Look, had better ተጠቅመን በእንግሊዘኛ ጥያቄ መጻፍ አንችልም። So the bottom line is you can give pieces of advice by using had better, but had better is stronger than ought and should. If you want to write positive statements by using had better, firstly there must be a subject. plus had better plus the base form of the verb and then plus an object if your main verb is a transitive verb. In addition, if you want to write negative statements by using had better, firstly there must be a subject that is that can be you, or that can be she, or that can be he, or they, etc. plus had better plus the negation word not, and then plus the base form of a main verb and plus an object ይሆናል ማለት ነው። My final point is when you give a piece of advice by using had better, look guys, there is a negative consequence. had betterን ተጠቅማችሁ ምክር የምትሰጡ ከሆነ ምን አለ ማለት ነው? ኔጌቲቭ ኮንሲኩዌንስ እንዳለም እየተናገራችሁ ነው ማለት ነው። So that is all about today's lesson. If you have any question, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. See you soon.